Well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. This is your girl Saida, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, coming back again as always to you live and direct. I hope that all is well with everyone and hope that everyone is having a great day and living a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus. So I'm coming back again because I have to offer a sincere apology to one of the contestants of the giveaway, the garden seed giveaway that we had on this channel. I failed to announce one of the contestants, and I really apologize for that. So without further ado, we must announce her. So please, Maestro. Tina H., you are also a winner of the Garden Seed giveaway for the spring 2018 for the Domestic Handmaiden of Distinctions YouTube channel. And we thank you so much for being so graceful regarding this situation. Everybody, please congratulate Tina H. Her information will be down in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you all for entering, and please congratulate again Miss Tina H. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.